The great thing is like it's a little bit sweet, it's cake-like, it's always crispy on the outside and slightly chewy. Hi, my name is May Chow. I'm the chef and owner of Happy Paradise. Egg waffle is a local Hong Kong comfort food. So it's pretty much a street snack that probably most people who live in Hong Kong or who's been to Hong Kong is a must try. So what we've done is we took a sourdough base and then we made it into a waffle recipe. In the sourdough, basically there's chicken fat, chicken stock, and what we do is we cook it in the egg waffle machine, but on the side we also do a batarga whip, and then we shave fresh batarga, chives, and a little bit of olive oil. It's our bread and dip service at Happy Paradise. It's always a treat to get it after school as a kid. And even as you grow older, you would look for, if you smell it on the street, you would want to order one. I think the shape is also really fun, and I think visually what is iconic or heartwarming to certain people is because they grew up with it. I grew up in Canada when I was very young, just because it was quite typical at that point of time in the 80s for people to immigrate, because people were scared of the turnover back to China, and it was just kind of having a safety net. So I think coming back to Hong Kong was one, my family is here. I actually didn't want to come back because when you're young, you kind of think Americanized culture is cooler than your own culture. Like it's a very normal thing to think about when you're a kid. You want to associate more to that culture. But when I came back to Hong Kong, I learned again how to reappreciate my own culture. I wanted to cook something that represented, how I grew up. When I opened Little Bao, people would say things like, oh, this reminds me of a restaurant in New York, this reminds me of something in London, and I just wanted someone like, wow, this is so Hong Kong. Like, we wouldn't be able to get this experience unless we were at Happy Paradise. And that was something that was very personal to me. And everything inside here is inspired by Hong Kong culture. Everything we think about is based in Hong Kong. It's very common now, but 5 years ago in Hong Kong, there was nothing that reflected people growing up here. It was either you were doing like cool Japanese food or Korean food or American food, but there was no one really taking Hong Kong's history and then incorporating it into their food. And so I think that's what I wanted to do, and that's what I did.